Hello everyone. I just wanted to go over random.org a little bit more with you in case I didn't quite cover it enough in class yesterday. So you just search random.org in your search bar and you'll end up on this page here. Typically for this course we'll be going to numbers and then integers. You can also get to this page by clicking on numbers and then clicking integer generator. Both of them get you to the same place. So you'll have this interface here. This first box lets you choose how many random integers you would like to generate. These next two boxes let you decide the range for your random integers. And then this last box is how you format the columns in case you have a particular convenient way you want to set them up or whatever is neat for you or fits your screen best. So if I just click Get Numbers as it is, it will give me 100 random integers between 1 and 100, formatted into 5 columns of 20. So here we have the numbers, and usually when you're working through a problem with a simulation, you'll want to just read them left to right, top to bottom. You'll want to start at the very beginning, but if you're more comfortable going top to bottom and then left to right, or even right to left, up and down, or however you want, just as long as you're consistent in how you go through the numbers. So again, we go to numbers, integers. Say we just want 20 integers between 1 and 6. We're rolling 20 six-sided dice, and we get our numbers here. So that's how we use random.org.